Do it again? We need to get a close-up of this action. See? That's the problem right there. There's your problem.
Pull the charge handle back.
Oh, shit. Hope he didn't see that.
Charge handle all the way back more.
Oh. Oh! I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Blow it nice and good, Mike. Blow it nice and good.
She like that.
I ain't doing a part 3 this time, so this is a continued shot.
Continue shot, nigga. That's not good right there.
It's okay. It's gonna go boom anyway.
Just let the charge handle go. Okay. Yeah.
It's Mike. He's trying to fix it.
I just hit the button again. Okay. Finish that bitch. 3 shots. Or make them count. Just be like,
Make him count.
Yeah.
You don't count twice.
For real.